No. Maybe why? A dangerous piece of wood with nails?
I made a back stretcher.
Oh. Are you gonna put it on my locker? So I can try it out?
Sure.
Ooh. Ugh. Carly, Sam, hi Miss Briggs.
Hello.
Put your phones away. Yeah, sorry.
No.
She really does have pointy blossoms.
What?
She really does have pointy blossoms.
Yeah.
Let's get to class. Oh wait, hold on. Ding dong. Ah dang it. Ah dang it. My dad emailed me back and said he can't come to the dance where we're going to but Saturday night.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
It's fine. Let's go to class.
Let's go. Carly, are you really fine?
I'm fine, Sam. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Hey, Spencer. Hey, kid. What are you bummed out about? My dad emailed me back and he said he can't come to the dance we were going to.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, Carly. What? I could take you. Really? I know I'm not dad, but, let me take you. Okay!
Well, at least she's happy.
Eek!
Carly, you are so energetic.
I gotta get my dress!
Well, hurry up and go get it.
Gotta get my dress for the dance. I gotta comb my hair. I gotta put it in a nice style.
Yep. This girl is so energetic. She's so excited.
I'm back. I got my dress. I'm gonna go put it on.
Okay. Spencer, why are you sick?
Remember, Lubert sneezed on me.
Ew.
And I gotta take Carly to the dance tonight.
Yeah, but how did she not hear you cough?
I don't know. Maybe she was too excited.
Probably.
Oh, she's coming back down. Quick, quick.
Hide. That dress looks so nice on you.
Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome.
Okay, Carly, I'm almost ready. You better be.
Are you excited for the dance?
Yes, I'm so excited to go.
Well, I kind of noticed that you were hopping around everywhere.
Okay, I'm here.
I'm a go. I just don't want to nothing.
Okay. Spencer, what's the matter? Doo-doo.
Carly, you gotta stop crying. It's just a dance.
Just a dance?
Yeah, it's just a dance. Carly's dad?
What? Dad? I'm taking Carly's special girl to the dance. He's talking about me, Sam.
He's talking about you.
How you doing, Sam, though?
Good.
Well, we gotta go. Come on, Carly. Coming.
Yep.
Sam, we're coming back.
Okay.
It was so much fun, Sam. We would have loved it. You would have loved it.
Well, yeah, but I didn't want to go. I had my own dance party here, though.
Ah, Okay. So, Dad, while you're here, I have a whole week planned for us, Carly. We could have like a spaghetti taco marathon. We could get a puppy. Miss Spencer and I have been talking about Carly. What? I'm leaving tonight. Wow. Way to bring us all down. We can't leave tonight. They need me back in the Air Force in Italy tomorrow. But you just got here. I wanted just to spend time and have fun with you.
Yeah, she was really sad when you said that you weren't able to come.
Then just come with me. What? You want me to come with you?
Yeah, you want her to come with you?
Beautiful little town right outside Florence.
And maybe he's right. Italy could be a beautiful place.
But I can't leave you, Sam.
It'll be fine.
Lots of Italian boys in Italy. I'm going to Italy!
And there it is.
We leave in 4 hours. Okay, then I know what we have enough time for.
What?
In 5, 4. I'm Carly!
And I'm Sam.
And this is...
iCarly.
A special one. A surprise one.
Yep.
So, my dad's gonna talk to baby Spencer while we get ready for our next pathetic play.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my god, this freaks me out. Oh, about that, I dropped out of law school? You dropped out of law school? Sam, tell me he's kidding.
I think he's not.
And now it's the cowboy, and the idiot farm girl without the cowboy's mustache was a squirrel.
I forget how this goes.
Just tickle, tickle, tickle.
What in tarnations are you doing?
I'm tickling your squirrel.
This is not a squirrel. This is a mustache.
Hello.
Can you please tell this girl that this is a mustache, not a squirrel?
That's a squirrel.
I'm gonna strangle you.
Freeze! This isn't really a freeze frame. And scene. And scene.
Well, that was fun.
We have something to tell you guys.
What? Well, Carly's going to Italy to live with her dad for a while.
So what is that going to mean for iCarly? iCarly's going to be taking a break.
Yep.
I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this has been
I
iCarly. I'm gonna miss you. Don't. What? Don't make me cry. Listen. Staying with you has made me just be creative, be silly, and have fun. You all know that I'm a goofy mad child. You took care of yourself. Maybe in some ways, but just... You've always made me feel creative, silly, and fun. Well, now you made me cry. I love you. I love you too, kid. Hey, Carly. Hey, Freddie. You know, you don't have to take all your tech stuff home tonight. Well, since we're going to Italy, I thought I would get a head start since, Gibby, I promised Gibby I would help him look up some research about weasels tomorrow. I'm gonna get the rest of my bags downstairs and, hold on. Do you want to talk about stuff before you go to Italy? Yeah, sure. So, why did you agree? I wanted to spend time with my dad. Also, there's hot Italian boys in Italy. Oh, Carly, always about the hot boys. You're hilarious, Freddie. You were always my favorite technical producer. Now, I'm just gonna get the rest of my bags downstairs. You want to help? Why don't I help with this bag? Yeah, that would be great.
Hey, Carly.
What is it, Sam?
Can I write down with you?
Of course. I'm gonna miss you guys. Goodbye, you guys.
Bye.
Aw, Gibby.
Bye.
Come on. Don't cry. One more for the road. Gibby.
It's really sad that you're leaving.
I love you, Spencer. I love you too, kid. Bye, Freddie. Bye, Carlos. So let's go, Sam.
I'm gonna miss you too, Carly.
Well, we have a whole elevator trip down.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Well,
I had to get in my dad's car and we had to go to the airport, so.
yeah, well, goodbye, Carly.
Wait, hold on.
Hey, wait. Why don't you take my remote with you?
Oh, Sam. I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too, Carly.
I guess this is it.
Yep.
Goodbye. In 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm Carly!
And I'm Sam.
And this is
iCarly.
Woo! Now we're leaving from Seattle to Florence. It'll take a little bit. It'll take 11 hours and 31 minutes. Until we leave, you can continue using your devices. Hi, I'm Carly, and this is our new show we like to call iCarly. And this is my best friend. Woo!
Good luck in Italy, Carly.
And we're clear.